monkeys. Oh, got the Firelink feature. Dime denominations. That's $36, $15. Let's see what else we can win. Come on, get those fireballs. Monkeys, get to work. Very good. Couple of $10. Throwing again. Keep going. There's a $40 one all the way at the top if I can get there. One more to unlock a row, which has 2 balls in it. Got it. All right, more money for me. Gotta stay a little bit close so I don't pick up the faces of my neighbors. Here we go. One more to go, another row up. Come on, monkeys, help me out. No helping. Come on, fireball. Got it. Okay, opened up at one with $4. So there's 2 more rows available to unlock if I can get enough fireballs. Come on, big money. Ooh, it's in the locked section though, so it didn't reset my spins. I have 2 spins to go to collect 3 balls. Come on, baby, more fireballs. Boy, my monkeys have quit throwing some balls down here. I need ya. Last spin. No help. Fireball, come on, baby. Oh. Well, that was still a decent one, I think. $3 bet. Let's total it up. So those are dimes. You can just drop that last 0 off and that tells you your dollars. So $46, keep going. $120. All right. Well, I was nearly destitute. So I got my $100 bill back plus a little extra. I'll be back with another win on Ultimate Firelink Explosion. Thanks for watching Matt Bailey Plays the Slots. Hello there. It's Ultimate Firelink Explosion here at Cosmo, and I just really quickly got the bonus, and I earned it myself. I got no help from those monkeys up there, but maybe they'll help here in the free game, or the feature. These are quarters. I'm playing a $3.75 bet on quarters. Here we go. Okay, monkeys are throwing, well, they didn't throw any that I get to collect yet, but maybe I'll earn it. Help! One down here. I'm down to my last spin. Help! Fireball! Got him. Got 3 of them. Alright, one more will unwin a row. The monkey gave it to me. Okay, up above there's a 200, I think. It's $50, and then some 150s. I think. It's hard to tell. Well, let's just open it up and find out. The $50 one, nice. There's this. Monkey, help! 3 more to open up a row. Monkey's throwing. Oh, he put the mini up there, but it's locked in there. 125 if I can unlock it. But last spin. Start throwing them down here where I collect. Save the bonus, fireball. Nope. I had a feeling it was going to do that. I did get the $50 fireball, so that's good. Let's see how much this totals up to. Pretty hopeful that I doubled my money. Looks good. $121.25. I think my math is correct. A quick little double up. Okay, I'm at 210. I tell you what, I'm going to play to 150. I will take a profit on this game, but maybe I'll be back. Maybe it's going to be active. Stay tuned for more wins. Ultimate Firelink Explosion. Matt Bailey Plays the Slot. All right, Golden Firelink is the game. And I've got it on a quarter denomination, $2.50 bet. Not very big numbers there, but maybe we'll get all the way to the top. This one's called Bouquet Blossom. Bouquet Blossom. Here we go. Come on, lots of fireballs. These are all quarters now. Open it all up. Come on. Oh, we opened it. Oh, nice. Oh, and that one's a spinning, and then minis on the next row. If I can just get one, that's $150. Come on, one ball. Just one's all I need. Come on, you've been very liberal with them. Come on, fireball. Give me one. Got it, and I got the mini. $150. All right, I need 3 to open the next row. And then I can possibly unlock that top thing. Here we go. Come on, big numbers. Got one. This is looking good. Come on, baby. More fireballs. Got it. Ooh, that's worth 100 quarters, 25 bucks. All right, one more to unlock the next row, which has 150 quarters in it. Come on, baby. Fireball. Give it to me. Oh. Give me a ball. Come on. Make it a big win. Oh, last spin. Come on, let's get to the top. Come on, baby. Fireball. Save the bonus. Fireball. Oh, still, it's great. I got a mini, and I've got this mystery prize here, which could have a big number in it. 150 there for the mini, plus that 100. Nice. All right. What's a good one? 500, I saw. 500? Oh, 50. Well, that's easy math. $250. Thank you, and that is exactly a big win bonus. Thank you. Oh, thank you, ma'am. Sorry, I almost cut you out of the frame. Golden Firelink. Much prettier graphics than regular Firelink. You're not on one of those crappy Bally cabinets. All right, that was fun. I've doubled my money. I will be back with another win, hopefully on Golden Firelink. Matt Bailey plays the slots. Wow, Ultimate Firelink Explosion, and I got the fireballs on a quarter bet. So these are quarters. Let's see what happens. Come on, baby. Lots of those balls. Oh, the monkeys are throwing them down for me. So yeah, quarters, that's $15, $10. Keep throwing them. All right, we unlocked a 50 quarter prize there. $375 is the bet. Oh my gosh, the major's up there. He threw the major up at the very top row. Can we get there? Help me, monkeys. Oh, nice. I need 3 more to unlock the next row, and then I'll be chasing that major. Come on, more balls. Nice. And there's 2 in the row above it if I can unlock. I need 2 more in the open space. Come on, monkey, help. 1 more ball. We got it. Okay. 2 more balls for the major. It's $683 if I can get it. Come on, give me those. Monkey, he threw one down. I got it. I just won the major. He threw the balls down for me. Unbelievable. I've never won anything like that on any Ultimate Firelink. Yeah, I know. That's awesome. Oh, let's win some more. Monkey, the whole board's open. Come on, monkey. It's like is that my first spin? No, it's maybe my second spin. Oh, save the bonus. Oh, still unbelievable. Got the major. I don't think that was I definitely won a couple of spins, like 3rd or 4th spin. These are quarters. That's 750 right there. It's not even close to a hand pay because these other values are pretty small, but that's majors. The biggest prize I've ever won on Ultimate Firelink. Maybe the mini. I don't think I've ever even won the minor before. Well, $850. I'll say. Wow, I can't believe I decided to play this as my grand finale, and then I won big. $850 and some change on Ultimate Firelink Explosion. Incredible bonus. Got the major. The monkey was helpful for a change. And I'll be back. I'll give it a few more spins. It was fun. It's the big wheel on Ultimate Firelink Explosion. $3 bet, dime denomination. Here we go. Big money. Come on, baby. Minor. Okay. Maybe it'll give me something in this. Wow, I got a mini for 100. All right. Let's see what else we can get. Here we go. These are dimes, so that's 12, 15, etc. Look at that nerd over there. That's my dad. Come on, fireball. Uh-oh, last spin. Save me, ball. Fireball. Ooh, save the day. All right. See, there's a 10 and a 24 in the next row if we can open it. Oh, it's 60 at the top thanks to that monkey. Get me up there. Uh-oh, last spin again. Save the bonus. Come on, fireball. That was it. Still a $100 mini. That was great. Total it up. Am I going to double my money? Yes, I am. 184. That's a double up on Ultimate Firelink Explosion. Oh! Clap. All right. I'm at 214. Maybe something else went real quick, and I'm cashing out at 200. Okay, I haven't tried this in a while. Ultimate Firelink China Street, playing $10 a spin. I don't know, it just called me. I think to the left, and then this machine called me to the right and said, play me at $10. So I got the fireballs. That $50 went to boot. Here we go. Getting big money. Okay, there's a 500 up there at the very top if I can get there. Dude. Come on, let's get all the way up there. Come on, big money, fireballs. There's one more. And two more. Okay, well, there wasn't anything in that row, but as long as we're striving towards that 500, here we go. 25, okay. Now there's a 40 up there. Lock section. Let's keep climbing. More fireballs. There's one. All right, 3 spins still remaining. We're doing great. Come on, baby. Okay, I just need one more to get to the next row, which has a $20 ball in it. So I just need one more fireball down here. Come on, baby. Keep going. No, no. Don't end. Come on, this is a great bonus. Come on, baby. Boy, it's putting them up there in the locked area. I need them down here. Uh-oh, last spin. Come on, baby. Be good to me. Save the bonus. Oh, okay. I think I may have doubled my money. Let's add it all up and see. Started with a $100 bill. We need 150 in the bonus. We got it. I'm a winner on Ultimate Firelink. $185. Well, it would have been great to get one more ball and then bing, 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 maybe get up to that 500, but hey, that was great. I've got, tell you what, let's watch 3 spins. Here we go. More wins, please. Come on now. Pre-game? Nope. One more was all I needed. And last spin. And that's it. Okay, cashing out a winner. Ultimate Firelink. Thank you.